Hi, thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I want to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can get more exposure, outrank your competition, and of course get more patients. So first things first, I have your website pulled up here, and the first thing that I have to suggest is to add more relevant content. So in this case, by content I mean wording. Especially here on the homepage because Google will take into consideration websites that have a lot of information with original content. It has to include the keyword that you want to be found for, and they have to be placed in specific areas of your website. I can see that you have here some links and same thing here, some anchor text, but it's not really doing that much because let's take a look at the back end of your website, for example. You're being found for 1,500 keywords. This is bringing you around 202 visits a month to your website, and you have around 988 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned on your website and will give you power so it can be found on Google as well. This will increase the domain rating and the URL rating, but keep in mind that not all links are created equal because they they need to be relevant, they need to be powerful, and they need to target the keyword that you need to be found for. If it's not done properly, this is going to be completely useless. So let's take a look at the keywords right now from your website you're being found for, and you can see that, for example, this one, Smile of NJ, which might be part of your brand name. Those 30 searches a month. You're ranking number one, and you're getting around two visits from those 30 searches a month. But then there's nothing significant going here, nothing relevant on what you are providing. Can't see anything really here. And even though you have a lot of them, that they don't seem to be relevant. No? So you can get more patients into your website and start getting those leads. So for the purpose of the video, I went and I did Orthodontics NJ. I did before South Bronx, New Jersey, and you were ranking number one on the map section in the organic, and I'll explain that in a second. But this one over here has a little bit more volume. For this specific keyword, we can see that there are around 250 searches a month, and similar keywords have, again, a lot of volume. But the one from South Bronx doesn't have too much of a volume, so I don't think you're getting a lot of visits if somebody types that. But again, um, doing this quick search, the first thing you're gonna notice here is the traditional Google Ads. This is where you pay every time somebody clicks on it. It has to be if it's not done properly, you can be wasting a lot of money. But if somebody clicks in here, you're gonna pay for it, and it's not gonna guarantee it's gonna be a customer. Then a patient, I'm sorry. Then we have the map section, and regardless of your location, you can be here. You definitely want to be here because you can target in the whole New Jersey area or specific areas as well, besides the New Jersey area, and you can get more traffic to your website. Then we have the organic results. This is number one. Monroe Ortho LLC is number two. Number three, Yelp number four, directory. And for your reference, 67% of the people that do a Google search, they don't even pass this top three over here and this top three here. That means they don't go all the way down and not even consider to go to the second or third page. So you might be missing a lot of potential new leads for not being in this, at least in this first page. So I want you to pull out this website over here, and you can see they might have a little bit more content, not as much, which is good news for you because if you have more content, I'll say at least 1,500 words of content, you can definitely start competing with these guys. And if we look on the back end of their website, you can see that they're being found for 132 keywords, but they are relevant keywords that they're being found for, and they only have 290 backlinks. And you can see that it's only affecting this part of the rating. So it's not too much of a big competition that the if if you would be wanting to go head to head, this would be uh, pretty much easy to compete against with. So for the purpose of the video, I don't want to take too much of your time. So if you like what you hear, if you feel we can help you out, we can definitely help you out. Or even if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out. Reach out. Our information will be attached to the email. And I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.